What is ITIL? ITIL is the most widely adopted approach for IT service management in the world. It provides a practical framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services. ITIL can offer benefits that include improved IT services, reduced costs, and improved customer satisfaction through a more professional approach.
Service level management is the process by which the quality of the IT services offered is defined, negotiated, and supervised. The service level management process is broken down into a few steps, which include planning, implementing, monitoring, and reviewing.
Service level management helps find a realistic compromise between the customer's needs and expectations and the costs associated with those services so that they are acceptable to both the customer and the IT organization. Service level management enables better understanding between business units and IT.
A service level agreement is a formal, negotiated document that defines the terms of service being offered to a customer. Typically, these will cover service hours, service availability, and restrictions. The SLAs help IT management to calculate costs and justify prices to customers, which results in improved service.
Operational level agreement is an agreement between an IT service provider and another part of the same organization. An OLA supports the IT service provider's delivery of IT services to customers. The objective of the OLA is to present a clear, concise, and measurable description of the service provider's internal relationships.
Service level agreement is what the IT organization as a whole is promising to the customer. Operational level agreement is what the functional IT groups promise to each other. The SLA can state that the IT will ensure that computer equipment will be maintained. The LLA will need to state everything that the functional IT groups will need to do to support the SLA.
An underpinning contract is a contract between an IT service provider and a third party. The third party provides goods or services that support delivery of an IT service to a customer. The underpinning contract defines targets and responsibilities that are required to meet agreed service level targets in an SLA. An underpinning contract is the external equivalent of an OLA.
The service catalog is the central listing of the goods and services that an IT organization provides. The aim of the service catalog management is to ensure the accuracy and availability of the service catalog. The information contained within the service catalog relates to all the services provided by the IT department to the business.
The service catalog improves communications with users, customers, and within IT. It also increases customer satisfaction and allows users and customers to choose the correct IT service for their needs. Implementing SLM optimizes IT operations and delivers higher quality of service to customers at the same time.
A service desk is intended as the central point of contact between service providers and users or customers on a day-to-day basis. It is also a focal point for reporting incidents, which are disruptions in service availability, and for users making service requests, which are routine requests for services.
Unlike a call or contact center, a service desk has a more broad and user-centered approach. In addition to actively monitoring and owning incidents and user questions, a service desk also provides an interface for other activities such as customer change requests, third parties, for example maintenance contracts, and software licensing.
Service desks allow for instant access and offers a uniform service of consistent quality. Service desks also keep users regularly informed and logs all interaction with them while still providing support for the business. Costs are reduced, resources are optimized, and management is simplified.
Service level management is the process by which the quality of the IT services offered is defined, negotiated, and supervised. The service level management process is broken down into a few steps, which include planning, implementing, monitoring, and reviewing.
Service level management helps find a realistic compromise between the customer's needs and expectations and the costs associated with those services so that they are acceptable to both the customer and the IT organization. Service level management enables better understanding between business units. Incident management allows for improved user productivity, fulfillment of the levels of service agreed in the SLA, greater process control and service monitoring, optimization of the resources available, and, in particular, improve general customer and user satisfaction.
Problem management is the process responsible for managing the life cycle of all problems. The primary objectives of problem management are to prevent problems and resulting incidents from happening, to eliminate recurring incidents, and to minimize the impact of incidents that cannot be prevented.
Service desks allow for instant access and offers a uniform service of consistent quality. Service desks also keep users regularly informed and logs all interaction with them while still providing support for the business. Costs are reduced, resources are optimized, and management is simplified.
Service level management is the process by which the quality of the IT services offered is defined, negotiated, and supervised. The service level management process is broken down into a few steps, which include planning, implementing, monitoring, and reviewing.
The knowledge learned from reviewing a problem should be incorporated into a service review with the business customer to ensure that the customer is aware of the actions taken and the plan to prevent future similar incidents from occurring. This helps to improve customer satisfaction and ensure the business that service operations is handling major incidents responsibly and actively working to prevent their future occurrences.
Over the course of the IT product cycle, the operations phase accounts for close to 70 to 80% of the total time and cost, with the remainder being invested in developing or buying the product. Thus, effective and efficient IT services management processes are essential to the success of IT departments.